Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Nokia started their hiring for freshers 2021 and 2022 batch from graduate engineering role with a CTC of 6 to 8.5 LPA, and the programming skill and the role responsibilities could be good team player, self-motivated and possessive strong commitment to Excel, good knowledge in C++, C, Java, Python and automation, experience and software skill required. Desired qualification will be BE, BTech, Electrical and Communication Engineering, year of passed out 2021 and 2022. Role will be software development and industry will be telecom, functional area engineering and software, employment type full-time and permanent they are mentioning here. And role category software development, key skills if you are having any proficiency in automation certificate or Java certificate, C++ certificate, Python, C certificate, this is the start or preferred skill. And Ajit Kumar is a company name. And about the company, create a technology that helps us together and an innovative technology fixed cloud network. You are going to work at cloud network and job originating and Nokia. They have mentioned their address, everything they mention about there. Just want to click here to register apply. Otherwise, create account and login and apply. So it is one of the useful opportunity for every freshers. Those who want to work in a Nokia company like a topmost and oldest company in the IT MNC field, they can apply here and wait for 30 days. You may get an exam link. It will be helpful for you. If you missed out this opportunity, you won't get it once again. The job opportunity opened before 6 days. The application will be 6,774 application they received. So in that, if you applied, you may get an exam link to first Naukri. They will send it to your mail after 30 days or 18 days. You may get exam and you finish the exam means you may get a interview HR round and TR round you may get you. This is all the mandatory things to fill for Nokia company. So don't worry guys, everything you are going to fill in first Naukri itself. So no problem for filling another forms and all, it will be headache. So just apply as much quickly. So thanks for watching this channel. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me in the comment section. I will take your query and I will correct you. Thank you guys.